My name's Jade, welcome to my channel if you're new, or if you are returning then welcome back. So today's video we're going to be unboxing this month's Glossybox, so April, the month of April, and as you guys know I love unboxing Glossybox. I love doing beauty subscriptions, I love unboxing them and just seeing what's inside because it's like a little treat every month and it's just really nice. So before we do get into today's video guys, if you aren't subscribed to my channel and you do enjoy watching my videos, stick around, subscribe, hit the notification bell, then every time I do upload you will get notified. And as ever, if you do like this video, make sure you do give it a huge thumbs up because it does let me know that you enjoy it and it really helps me out. So without further ado guys, let's just jump into this month's Glossybox unboxing and let's see what we have for this month. So spring is a theme, woke up in spring. So make bold decisions. First thing we have is, this is a deluxe size guys. So this is by a brand called -417, so -417. We have some bath salts. Interesting. I love a bath salt, love stuff for the bath. So this looks really nice. Packaging looks really nice. I like the look of that. So these are the Serenity, I can't even say that word, Serenity Legend Hydrating Dead Sea Bath Salts. Enriched with unique healing minerals, these hydrating Dead Sea bath salts are all you need for a perfect pampering bath. I do love a bath guys. They're vegan as well, so that's a really good thing. Providing the ultimate spa experience, after just one use your skin will be left feeling refreshed, soft and smooth. These salts also help enhance your skin's ability to retain moisture and assist in the renewal of skin cells, which minimizes the inevitable signs of aging. Interesting. So this is a deluxe mini. This is 100 grams. This is £2.17 and you can buy the full size product which is 500 grams for £10.24 and you can buy it on their website which is -417.com. Amazing. So we have some bath salt. So next up we have an eyeshadow quad. So this is by a brand called Sophia and Mabel. This looks so cute guys. Again, I've never heard of this brand before. This is their Aphrodite palette. This looks so cute. I love it. Like it's so dainty and cute and it's just the perfect shades, like awful shades to use on any kind of eye look. I love this. So this retails for guys £25. So cute and this is perfect for the summer as well, like summer, spring, gorgeous colours. Who doesn't love a gorgeous eyeshadow palette? This beautiful palette is perfect for everyday wear with 4 universally flattering shades inside, featuring a mix of both matte and satin shimmer tones. This palette will enhance your eye makeup look and give a natural effortless finish. So yeah, £25. Cute, lovely, I love that. So next we have, this is a full-size product. So we have, this is by a brand called Feel Free. This is a full-size product guys. This is their antioxidant eye contour cream, hydrating the under eyes whilst also eliminating small lines around the eyes. This antioxidant eye cream contour is a dream. A combination of hard-working skincare ingredients including hyaluronic acid, aloe vera, lemon, mint and more also help balance skin tone and brighten your delicate under eyes, which is everything I want in an eye cream. And I've actually run out of my eye cream. I use eye cream a lot, like a lot, because I get really sore, dry under eyes. So I've actually run out of my eye cream. So I am happy we have another eye cream to add to our ever-growing collection. Oh wow, that smells good. That smells really nice. What can I smell in there? Oh, I'm pretty sure I can smell the coffee in it. It smells really nice though. Really nice. So I love that. So this retails for £4.77 and you can buy it on their website which is feelfreebio.com. So lovely. So next up guys, we have a liquid blusher. So this is by the brand Downtown Paris, but obviously it's spelled DWTN, so Downtown. This is full size. This is formulated with 99% natural and totally vegan ingredients. the Downtown Paris blush, I'm gonna get tongue twisted, is the ideal product to enhance your cheeks. Perfect for bringing a glowy touch to casual makeup or a sophisticated touch to your evening look. Simply take a small amount of the blush, pat along your cheekbones with your fingertips. So this retails for $19.58. Liquid blush is really in at the minute. Everyone's buying it, everyone's using it. It's like, it's really like in, so it's like really good. I've been using it a lot, and I still use powder. Like, I'll go in with the liquid before I put on my powders and then go over with a powder sort of thing. But yeah, so let's have a look what this looks like. It's quite dark, so I don't know if this is going to suit I mean, obviously I don't think I would use that much, but I don't think this would suit my skin tone, my complexion. It's a nice shade. It's more like a coral peachy colour. Again, I don't know if it would suit my skin tone and complexion, but that that felt really, really nice. So yeah, we have a liquid blush. So the last thing we have, guys, is by a brand called Skin & Co. Skin & Co Roma. This is a deluxe size. This is Truffle Therapy Morning Dew. What is it? Oh, it says this is ultra gentle botanical face cleansing gel. So it's facial cleansing gel. Cleanse, uplift and brighten your complexion. Looks really nice. The packaging looks really nice and bougie, doesn't it? I love the golden white. Packed with superhero ingredients, this gentle cleanser will soon be an essential step in your skincare routine. Papaya extract also brightens and minimises the appearance of blemishes while improving the appearance, texture and tone of skin. So I'm going to open it and see what it feels like. I'm going to pop it on the back of my hand. Let's just take the seal off, see what it looks like. If I can take this off, it's not coming off. Why can't I open it? So it's a gel, it says. Like a gel. Oh yeah. So it is like a gel, like a clear gel. It's not too thick. It's quite nice. So obviously it's a cleanser. So look at that. It's straight away, it's like foaming up. Like getting all that white. So yeah. Oh. Oh yes, has it got like cocoa in there? Oh my god, that smells amazing. That smells so good. What did it say it's got in there? But that smells really good, like papaya. Oh yeah, I really love that. So that was everything we got in this month's Glossybox for April. Some really nice things in there, guys. What do you think? Did you get this box? What was your favourite? I don't really know. I think the eyeshadow palette looks really nice. It looks really cute. But I would 100% use everything in there. The bath salts, I'm ready to use them and go and have a bath and just have a little pamper. And yeah, so that was everything in this month's Glossybox for April. I hope that you did enjoy this video, guys. If you did, make sure that you do give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure you do give this video a big like if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.